In this video, I'll be guiding you with proper GeoFS tutorial. So let's begin with our tutorial. First, search GeoFS on your browser. Then click on it. When you will click, you will see dot like this on your screen. Now click Fly. You will spawn like this anywhere in the world. Now I will show you the list of aircrafts available. I have selected A350-900 of Delta Airlines. To fly, zoom out and select which city you want to fly from. Today we will fly from New York to Boston. Now here's the tutorial on how to make a flight plan. First, click on Flight Plan and then select your runway which you want to fly from and add it to the flight plan. And now zoom out and keep adding waypoint of how you want to fly and which way you want to fly. Remember, the more waypoints, the easier the flight. On approach, keep in mind to add extra waypoints in order to slow down and align perfectly to land. Now here comes the main part. You have to add the altitude and speed for each waypoint. And if you are confused, just see till the end. Here you have to type speed and altitude. As you can see, my flight plan is completed, and we have in purple line, which shows your flight path. Here now we are on our runway. Here my keyboard disconnected. But when you are flying, always maintain yourself in the center line. Here I am controlling everything with my mouse. Now click on Autopilot and see how I set Autopilot, so our plane will fly as our flight plan. Now you can see we are close to landing in Boston. Deploy your gear and select flaps maximum in order to land perfectly. I am playing on mobile with an external keyboard and mouse. My laptop is broken. Please help me get monetized so I can buy a new laptop. Oh my god, playing on mobile is really hard, and games like these make even harder. I landed really bad here, but when you are landing, keep yourself in the center line.
Bruh.
That's a really bad landing. Let's see the replay. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and please help me get monetized.